Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best small air purifier for bedrooms that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. HEPA. The exceptional purifying capability of the air purifier with a portable HEPA filter is highlighted. It has 3 layers of filtering that remove 99.97% of air contaminants. The Happy Living HEPA air purifier rotates your space swiftly and efficiently with a CADR of 200 cubic meters per hour. The standby mode will operate silently with a sound level of little less than 22 dB, assuring a restful night's sleep. The air purifier with HEPA filter and UV light is constructed with 3-stage filtering technology that effectively removes various types of nanoparticles from airflow, including a pre-filter level for bigger molecules such as hairs and dust, a HEPA barrier for small particles such as tobacco, and an activated charcoal layer for odor removal. As a result, over 99.97% of animal dander, dust, pollen, and other microorganisms are removed, leaving you with a clean and fresh living area. The bedroom HEPA air purifier has 3 speed control options to choose from when it comes to air purification. The automatic option allows the gadget to adjust the velocity as air quality varies automatically. Set a timer for 24 hours because you can inhale clean air throughout the night or as soon as you enter a room. Simply pushing the headlamp switch, you can turn off the lights and experience a decent night's sleep with no lighting but pure, clean air in the room. At number 4. Honeywell. You can't go wrong with the Honeywell HPA 300 whether you're seeking a solid fundamental functionality air purifier at a fair price. Although Honeywell's air purifier is pricier than HEPA models, this could cover a wider area than virtually any purifier. Considering its bulky appearance, it weighs a whopping 21 pounds, the Honeywell Homes is among the quietest types available. This can be the ideal air purifier for anyone with a medium-sized space. The Honeywell HPA 300 air purifier with HEPA filters purifies and rotates airflow up to 4.8 times per hour over 465 square feet rooms. There are 4 air filtration levels on these HEPA purifiers, featuring turbo cleaning. Dust, hair, animal dander, and smoking are all minute airborne pollutants that it helps catch. Whenever the air quality is poor, it massively increases the fan speed to cleanse rapidly, and then when the air quality is better, it slows down. As a result, energy usage is limited. The machine is quite basic and provides dual filtering, with the thick carbon filter coming first and the extra-large HEPA filter coming second. The air is taken in toward the front of the item, where it passes via both filters before exiting through an exhaust grate near the controls on the top of the object. As a result, it's a terrific decent alternative that can go practically anywhere, particularly against even a wall. At number 3. Blue Air. The Blue Air Blue Pure 411 uses a 3-stage filtering process to monitor that the oxygen you breathe is clean. First, large molecules are caught by the reusable fabric filter, while the carbon filter removes aromas such as gas and smoke. Lastly, the HEPA Silent Tech filters out 99.97% of air contaminants per the manufacturer. The Blue Air Blue Pure 411 is a plain, simple cleaner with a clever design and practical value. You receive particles and charcoal filtering in such a 160 square ft space, making it an excellent air purifier for tiny spaces. The best room air purifier weighs just over 3 pounds, making it easily transportable throughout your house. It was also designed to cover spaces up to 161 sq ft, so bear that in mind while placing this portable air purifier in the house, whether in the workplace, infant nursery, or library. It was also extremely silent, at only 17 dB on the lowest speed, so that you could sleep peacefully in the bedroom with a Blue Air purifier. The Blue Pure comes with various colored pre-filter coverings for the outside of the gadget, allowing it to blend into practically any color scheme. Its button screen is as simple as they come. The gadget is also lightweight, with sound levels in the middle of the scale. Aside from the loudness, the Blue Pierce sole serious flaw is the absence of additional features such as timer controls. At number 2. Medify. For under $100, it's difficult to find an air filter with a certified true filtration system. Most air purifiers seem to use certain HEPA filters in this pricing range. The MA14 is an extremely effective option for many who struggle with pollen allergies, bronchitis, have pets, smoke, or are generally worried regarding their indoor environmental quality. The 3-layer HEPA H13 system eliminates 99.9% of dangerous airborne contaminants in a 200 square foot space every 30 minutes. 3 fan settings, a filtration indication, a night lamp, and a sleep switch are among the functions. The Medify cleans approximately 400 square feet in 1 hour and 200 square feet in 30 minutes. The HEPA filter silently disinfects while the activated charcoal reduces odors. Rest assured that your atmosphere is safe. Atmospheric air is frequently contaminated with hazardous substances and pollutants. Medify is committed to providing dependable solutions that use cutting-edge cleaning technologies to protect you and the safety of your loved ones. Medify offers you equipped with effortless HEPA filters, elegant layouts, and functions like sleep state and child protection. At number 1. Levoit. Are you still suffering from allergic conditions and noxious odors? Then, fresh air is easy to get by with the Levoit LVH128 Tabletop True HEPA Air Purifier, ideal for someone aiming to better their indoor environmental quality. This tabletop air purifier is a fully approved air purifier that removes allergies, smoking, and other contaminants from the air by altering it 5 times in bedrooms up to 403 square feet. The quiet sleep mode, which functions more silently and shuts off the screen lighting just to not disrupt anyone is during evening, and the 3 tailored filtration,
clearing the way for an
animal
atmosphere
allergies
of your
filters,
choosing.
and poison absorbing filter are 2 features
Simply
we especially
add your
enjoy about
favorite
this model. Switching knobs and dials is a thing of the past. The best tabletop air purifier is controlled by a single button, indicating whenever the filter needs changing. This desk air purifier is simple to operate, efficient, and practical. The Levoit is the best air purifier under $200, and it has all the excellent features. Noise sources can quickly wake up infants, and nap restrictions can severely affect health. This desktop air purifier features a sleep mode and maintains sound levels to a minimum of 28 dB, ensuring you and your families have a decent night's sleep every night. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown